How to fix Instagram music not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings. Now scroll down until you find storage. Now just clean some space. Click clean up, clean some space, or you can just delete some photos and videos. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have enough space, then just go to Play Store or App Store, and now make sure your Instagram is updated. Just to see if there's an update here, and then click on it, and that must fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, then turn off your Wi-Fi, and now close Instagram and open it again and turn on your Wi-Fi. And I hope that can fix your problem, and if that doesn't fix it, then it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and install it again. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.